Playtime.
Hi, welcome to our Playtime videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing and reviews of Disney's Frozen Little Kingdom Arendelle Treat Shop. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we have Disney Frozen Little Kingdom Arendelle Treat Shop. And there's all these snow cones, Elsa, her little house. Have a little store cooler, ice cream maker. Okay, now that we have it all open and out of the box, let's look at it. So here's Elsa, and then she has these holes right here so you can put these little things in here on her dress. And this one on her head. Push it on really tight. Okay. Stand her up. Alright. So you have all of these and they're all together. It's two glued together. And the 4 ice cream cones. One goes in here and this opens up and you stick that in there. And you pull this lever and it drops down into the ice cream cone. And then one goes over here on top of that. This is really cute. They will like this. And you can open these little cabinets up right here. And you can put your cake and stuff in there. Disney's Frozen Little Kingdom Arendelle's Treat Shop. Welcome to Elsa's favorite spot in Arendelle where you can help her make frosty treats. Pretend to make snow cones and lots of treats. Store snacks in a cooler. And you can mix and match her clothes if you get these other ones right here on the side. And this is for age 4 and up. Thank you for watching.